Step 6, experimentation with form. Again, we are doing this to learn how to build basic shapes out of cardboard. In our case, we want to use chipboard as much as possible. Turning to page 2, this is how to make the cone. You're going to want a chunk of poster board, and you're also going to need a 6-inch circle base. Okay, this is the bottom of your cone, and then the top part needs to turn into a cone. Well, how you make that happen is it's like Gangnam style, right? So you cross your arms, you take one corner of the poster board in one hand and one corner in the other hand, and then you straighten your arms. And as you do that, it turns your poster board into a cone. You now take it, so it's being held in one hand, you turn it upside down like this, take your other hand, and you go underneath and kind of pull it together. Then you should be able to hold on to it with one hand like this, but you might need a friend. You take your circle and you place it in the cone, and it's not going to fit. And then you have to work with the cone to get it to open up until your circle fits inside there, and it can go as far down as you can get it. Once you have it like this, you need to go to the hot glue gun station. So at the hot glue gun station, what you need to do is you need to do what I call tagging. So you are going to put some hot glue in like 4 areas, and then you are just going to let it cool down. Once it has cooled, and you know it's cooled because you've used your pencil or because it's no longer clear and you can't see completely through it, you're going to go back to your scissors. Do not take your scissors to the hot glue gun area. Go back to your scissors, and you are going to cut this off so that it sits level. Now you will notice I am now cutting right near, and I should have waited, but for the video purpose I'm doing it now. I'm not cutting right next to this because that's not necessary. Then I would tape right here, and then what I'm going to do as a teacher to test your cone, so this is taped, is I'm going to squeeze it, and if your cone collapses in on itself, it was done wrong, but if it stays strong, it was done correctly.